Hello everyone, it's me. I want to show you how I do my micro twists. This is actually just the technique that I use to do all twists for starter locks, just because a 2-strand twist is typically used as a protective style, but I use this as one method of starting your lock journey. So as you can see, I'm doing a regular twist, just 2 strands, nothing to it. I'm going to twist from beginning to end and make sure that I'm doing it not so much like a rope twist or Senegalese where I'm double stranding, like double twisting and then crossing over. I'm just doing a regular twist, but I do make sure that it's close together and the twist does not swell too much. Especially if you're doing this as starter locks, you want it to be really stable and secure. So that's how I do this one. That's just regular. Now, when I'm doing the starter locks for my clients, and I'm doing especially the micro size, I like to do 2 added steps to ensure that the twists do not unravel. So here, I'm just going down the shaft of the twist as normal. And then almost before I finish, I do something slightly different. So here, I'm starting to finish up, and then I divide the 2 strands into 3, and I'm going to do a braid. This is not like any particular kind. This is just a regular 3-strand braid, and I do this so that the ends do not unravel. But as you know, for many of you who have done 2-strand twists for yourself as a protective style, the roots will be puffy. So I'll show you how I make sure the roots are nice and tight to the scalp. So I'm going to finish this twist all the way down. I like to do about 1 inch of a braid, and this all depends on the length of the person's hair, of course. But I like to do this much because it ensures that the twist will not unravel because the braid is secure. Now, to make the twist tight to the scalp, again, this is how I do my micro twist that will likely be done with interlocking for maintenance. I do interlocking at the roots. So just to do like a refresher, I do 2-strand twists, finish with a braid, and then interlock at the roots because my clients typically get interlocking for maintenance. And this just makes it really neat. They stay to the scalp, and basically they are good until their hair grows out and they need to do their maintenance. So this is just showing how the 2 compare. They look very similar, but I'll show you how they're different. So here, I'm just gonna put my finger through the 2 strands and pull it all the way through. For a regular 2-strand twist, this is what you can expect to happen. But when you do it the way I do it for the micro twist, even when you pull your finger through, it does not unravel because you have the braid at the end. And as you can see, it went right back. So again, when you do the regular 2-strand twist, you can unravel it easily, but with the method that I use, you cannot. So you can imagine it's very tedious, but it makes for a longer lasting starter lock technique that my clients enjoy. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.